Hello, first graders. We've talked about how writers often write about what they know about, how they often write about themselves. We have been closing our eyes and making movies of stories in our minds. Then you have been drawing your pictures and labeling them. This is a smart strategy to help you plan out your writing. It also helps you remember all the little details, the little parts of your story. After that, you have been writing words and sentences. So I'm going to try and use your ideas to plan my own story. Okay, so I'm going to close my eyes. I got it. I just made a movie in my mind. So here's my story. We heard a loud bell ring. We froze. Then Miss Garcia said, "Line up, it's a fire drill." I want to get all of my story, all of my details into my illustration or my picture. First, I'll draw some of you frozen. I'm going to draw some of you frozen. So here's one person. He was frozen. I'll draw someone else right here. She was frozen too. Oh, and I was there too. So I'll draw myself right here. We'll draw one more of you right here. Do you see how I'm adding the whole picture, all of the details to my illustration? So there was 3, then there was me. So we were here by the door. This will be our door. Here's our floor. We had some windows on the side. We had a table. So I'm adding more illustration, more details to my story. So writers, will you help me write my story? I want you to think of some details or other parts that we could add to my story. So take a minute to think about something that we could add to the story, and then tell someone around you what we could add. Now I want you to close your eyes and think about what you want to write about today. It might be an idea from our list that we made yesterday, or it might be another idea. You might even decide to write your own fire drill story. Whatever it is, get it in your mind and make a movie about what happened in your story. Make sure you put the details, all of the parts of your story that you see in your mind, into your picture or your illustration. So what more can you add to your picture? Can you add any more details? Other parts that you see in your mind? Did you write about all the details that you included in your illustration?